Welcome to Science Unplugged. Today, we're diving into the What is photosynthesis? So, what is photosynthesis? It's how plants, algae, and some bacteria create their own food. Using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide, they make glucose, a type of sugar, and oxygen. The process. Let's break it down into simple steps. 1. Sunlight absorption. Plants have a green pigment called chlorophyll in their leaves that captures sunlight. Two. Water uptake. Plants absorb water from the soil through their roots. 3. Carbon dioxide intake. They take in carbon dioxide from the air through tiny openings in their leaves called stomata. The reaction. Inside the plant, sunlight energy converts the water and carbon dioxide into glucose and oxygen. This happens in special structures called chloroplasts. Chloroplasts with a chemical equation appearing Co2 plus H2O plus sunlight C6H12O6 plus O2. The importance of photosynthesis. Healthy ecosystem, plants, animals, and people enjoying nature. But why is photosynthesis so important? It's the foundation of the food chain. Plants provide food for themselves and for all animals, including us. Various animals eating plants, and humans enjoying fruits and vegetables in a market. Interactive segment now. Here's a fun challenge. Next time you're outside, look at the plants around you. Can you spot the leaves? Remember, they're busy making food for us. What plants can you find? Thanks for joining us on this journey through photosynthesis. If you enjoyed learning how plants create their own food, hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting science adventures. Stay curious about nature.